Brighton, good morning.
My country people, I greet everybody. This one are the voice of your homeboy, Dr. Ogiwonyi Brightens. Now maybe the MD CEO and the chief inventor of all Brightens Electronics Company products.
So still tell us more about your Brighton alternator booster for pressing iron, and still tell us about your energy bulb saver, the one you say they manufacture for your company locally.
My country people, I beg, before I begin to explain the alternator booster and the bulb, I want to let you know say for Brightens Electronics Company we dey close officially today, but the promo wey we dey do for our company go continue, go end on Friday, but we dey close officially today. So you wey wan buy our product, if you will not, as at the moment now, we not go fit guarantee say we go fit supply you all the number of battery if you dey buy many battery, or we go supply you all plenty solar panel if you dey buy plenty solar panel. No, for now we dey shut down officially today, and we go maintain our customer relationship through our online platform, through our website, through our WhatsApp and text messages or phone contacts. But for now we go shut down after today. And I want to let you know, say you will say you want to be part of the promo. The time of the promo will end now this week Friday, and we hope by the grace of God within the next 2-3 months this coronavirus thing will be a thing of the past, so that everybody will come back to their normal duties. But I want to let you know, say if you want to buy the brightest energy bulb, now bulb will be say we design as 5 watt and 12 watt. The 5 watt of the bulb shine light past the normal 18 watt energy bulb with the market, while the 12 watt of the bulb shine light past 40 watt energy bulb with the market, or 100 watt incandescent bulb with the market. Now bulb will be say we reduce the input watt, increase the brightness of the bulb, so that if you dey use am with your prepaid meter or analog meter, e go reduce your NEPA bill, or the rate whether your NEPA card, the car take dey burn before month end, wey dey take dey get exhausted. Or if you dey use am with your inverter battery solar panel, e go reduce the rate wey your battery go take dey drain. Then if you dey use am for your surrounding light, your hotel or event center, for your compound security light, e go still reduce the rate wey your fuel and diesel go take dey burn for that generator. Then you wey be say you be tailor, fashion designer, dry cleaner, you need the brightest alternator booster for pressing iron. I want to let you know, say na compulsory device, especially now we be say we dey go through trying period, except you want to spend money till they buy half engine up and down. But you even know now say most of the stores don't dey close, you fit never see the half engine buy if you be tailor or fashion designer or you be dry cleaner. That's why as you dey plug your pressing iron, ring boiler or electric kettle, you dey plug on top of the brightest alternator booster, make that your generator not come dey give you trouble. Even you will get hotel, you get event center, you need the booster for your pressing iron, especially for your laundry service department.
So what you know they produce for inside Brighton, and you still tell us more about your changeover devices?
Yes, you see, for Brightens Electronics, we dey do it we dey call renewable energy, alternative source of power. Power na compulsory thing, because for Nigeria we dey experience epileptic power supply. E no get who go deny for this country say no know say Nigeria dey experience power failures, epileptic power supply. We no get constant light for NEPA or BDC, as the case you may be. I wan let you know, say now when you dey buy food stuff dey put for your house, na the best time when you need to get this brightest inverter battery, solar panel, power solution options, or else that your food stuff wey you dey put for that freezer, e go spoil if you no see light take power am. Or you dey warm your soup every day, that soup go change taste. Even you wey be say you dey house, you need to get light to dey hear news, to dey see wetin dey happen concerning this pandemic of corona virus. So I wan let you know, say na compulsory thing. If you not get light this period, you be like who dey cut off out of the world, because you no go even dey see wetin dey happen, you no go hear wetin dey happen. That's why they tell Nigerians say the inverters and battery solar panel wey we get, they carry your normal fan, TV, television, deep freezer, AC, borehole, go power am depending on the size or kVA wey you wan buy. And I want still let una know, say na something wey be say you no go come dey subscribe am. Once you don install am, you don install am, you go dey work dey go. Then as for those wey wan buy our solar panel, e don finish. Then you will say you wan get the brightest automatic changeover. Na something wey be say if they bring NEPA light, maybe you no get money to buy inverter battery, they bring your NEPA light for night, you dey sleep, e go help you off the gen, carry you go national grid without say you no wake up from sleep. Even if you want make you see from inside house they on the gen, from inside house they off the gen, you will buy the one wey they call brightest power switch, so that this kind of security challenges wey we dey, make you no go dey come out for night say because you wan operate generator.
So before you give us your phone number and address, tell us more about your inverter battery, your solar panel, and solar change control. If you look your own and the one you say the market.
Yes, you see, the most important advantage for anything they do for Brightness Electronics be say na made in Nigerian product. If e spoil, bring am come. We go maintain am for you. If we not fit this time, we say coronavirus don dey. If we not go fit repair your own wey you fit buy, we go give you another one wey you go dey use within this time being until when our engineers go return back to work and we resume production. Say you buy our product, e can't get fault, you can't go dey darkness, e not possible for Brightness Electronics. So I want let Nigerians know say our office address dey number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road. Number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road near UBTH for Ugbowo, Benin City. We dey open our office only on Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 10 o'clock to 5 p.m. in the evening because we dey use Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday they do production and installation of products. However, after today we don already close down. So if you want reach us for phone, our phone number now 080-894-62794. Make I repeat am 080-894-62794. Our MTN number now 080-3581-5348. Make I repeat am 080-3581-5348. Or you type Brightness Electronics Company Facebook page, like the page or search videos of Brightness for YouTube, or you go our website www.brightnesselectronics.com. My country people, mona stay safe, coronavirus na real o.